Look at this. I wonder what's plugged up to that. Because that's building electricity right there. What is... Boy, nigga got their whole car plugged up to the motherfucking to the socket. That's the future, y'all. I do that shit too. I find a garage, get me a charger cord, and plug my fucking car up too. That's crazy. Nigga say, fuck them motherfucking Walmart chargers. Nigga got this shit plugged up in the wall socket. That's right, still they shit. I steal they shit too, fuck that. Ooh, that's free power.